Hey guys, this is the lace closure with king and curly texture we just made for the customer. You see this texture? It's very nice. It's very nice texture. This is very volume. It's very full. You can compare with other vendors lace wig because we use 3 bundles and 1 closure to make the wig, and it's 3 bundles 16-inch. I'm not sure if you notice the small part layer, this part. If you cut this part, if you cut it, this one from here, the layer is a completely bob wig with very gorgeous. But it depends on you. Why there is a small part layer? Let me explain to you why. How we solve the wig, because this is the nape of the neck. We use the bundle to solve at the nape of the neck. Let me show you. I just said why this part is longer, because when we solve the hair, you see the track. You see this, all this track. When we solve it, it just come down, and longer will be longer. It just come down. You see this track, it just come down longer. But when we solve from the top, that is come from here. So the hair just come here. So you see, there's a layer, this one layer, but this small parts here. But anyway, it's very nice wig here. If you buy this kinky curly texture from other vendor, they will use 3 different size bundle to make for you. For example, normally they will use 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch. So they can just cut the cost, reduce the price, because 12-inch, 14-inch different price, lower price, but our is 3 bundles 16-inch. Why we like to use 3 bundles 16-inch? Because we want to control the fullness and the short hair. I don't mean that all strands of hair are the same length. Why I said control the short hair? Because if you use the 12-inch or 14-inch, when you solve from here, the layer, and you come here, it would be just short. And some short hair will just come from here. But not all strands of hair are the same length throughout the bundle. Of course, 16-inch, 12-inch, they also have short hair, but we use 3 bundles 16-inch. We just want to make sure the hair in the wig is longer, just like this, you know. We just want to make sure it's longer. It does not mean all strands of hair the same length. The point is we just want to control the hair is longer and it looks more volume and the fullness is very good. You understand me? But if you use 12-inch, 14-inch, maybe here, from here is full, but when you come here, it's thin. When you stretch the hair to measure, you understand me? But if you use the 3 bundle 16-inch, from here to here, it's full, but different size 12-inch or 14-inch, just from here already thin. But our wig is from here. You understand me? Still full, so you can cut it if you don't like this layer part. But depends on you. It's very nice wig, and we can make different texture lace wig for you. Loose wave, deep wave, any texture, and wavy. You see the fullness, the thickness is very nice. So I will see you in the next video.